Hello, Austin. It's March. You know what? Let's just go to this.
Austin, it's March 16th. We have the Asian. Ganner.
What's up, bro?
We're going to the gym. We're going to the gym. He's got a guitar. What are you going to do with the guitar? Let's go. Kendra!
Hey!
Ah! Hugs.
Hugs!
I'm making a video. He doesn't know, but I'm passing. I'm walking by. Kevin.
Ah! There's still snow!
But look, it's bright, it's warm. It's like night vision's not. Nope.
Warm day.
I'm calling my mama.
He's calling his mama.
Call mama.
Found a random pair of shoes. Monkey! Guitar! Me!
Oh. Now I'm forced to do this video. I feel like it's not adequate enough compared to your Utah video, because it's pretty much amazing. And I would very much love to top it. I'm hiding. Can't find me. Oh no. Flip. There. I just gave myself an emo comb over. Just so, hopefully, it'll get some ratings. So, I'm wearing scrubs. See? Scuba scrubs. Also made a new song. Trying to put two guitar pieces together. And I think I might form a band with Skylar. Acoustic band. It'd be fun. Anyway, here's the song. Listen. Okay, so the entire song is not exactly put together correctly, nor is it played at the... I just knocked out my cologne bottle. Nor is it played at the same exact time, but when I get the timing down, it should sound pretty good. So, this is my forced video. Guess I'll leave it to that.